today we're going to bring some tools, and these are actually perfect. They have Flathead, they have Phillips, all very petite, and this is perfect if you're going to work on computers or small little devices, or if you're going to adjust your glasses. You want to make sure you have some like this. They come with a magnet here, so you can magnetize the actual tips, or add your screws in here so you won't lose them. Every single one is, you can see the silhouette of what they are, and then different degrees, of course. They're very, look at how well they make them, all right? And they're all metal. This is all fully metal, so you can just hold down and spin this round so it could actually get the actual tip in there. So very simple, adjustable, has a grip here. So, you know, if you guys can see, it has like a flat area surface right here, so you can spin it around. If it's a hard screw to get out, this is not going to be a problem with this. So I like that they have a magnet right here in this area, so you can magnetize the actual head, and it's very simple to set up. And we're going to put it to use. So we're going to use our tools, all right, to remove the actual CPU mounts. So it's twisted, very simple with these tools. There. And of course, you gotta, the base is gonna fall, so we're gonna have to do one at a time. All right. All right, if it's not magnetizing, just go like this. Get your connection, put them in there. This actual system, if you guys can see, and then it grabs on pretty simple now. Two more. Not strong, too strong. Magnetic, love that area that you can magnetize the whole thing. Works very handy, very simple to use. I use it a lot for my tools, for building computers. It's easy. For laptops, even better. So hope you guys enjoy the video.